Welcome to Yes Kid Educational Channel.
I wake up at 7 o'clock.
I wake up at 7 o'clock.
I brush my teeth.
I brush my teeth.
I wash my face.
I wash my face.
I take a shower.
I take a shower.
I comb my hair.
I comb my hair.
I eat breakfast.
I eat breakfast.
I put on my school uniform.
I put on my school uniform.
I pack my school bag.
I pack my school bag.
I wear my shoes.
I wear my shoes.
I go to school by bus.
I go to school by bus.
I say goodbye to my mom.
I say goodbye to my mom.
I meet my friends at school.
I meet my friends at school.
I say good morning to my teacher.
I say good morning to my teacher.
I sit in my classroom.
I sit in my classroom.
I write in my notebook.
I write in my notebook.
I read my books.
I read my books.
I listen to my teacher.
I listen to my teacher.
I play with my friends.
I play with my friends.
I eat lunch at school.
I eat lunch at school.
I raise my hand to answer.
I raise my hand to answer.
I do my homework at school.
I do my homework at school.
I go back home.
I go back home.
I take off my shoes.
I take off my shoes.
I wash my hands.
I wash my hands.
I eat lunch at home.
I eat lunch at home.
I talk to my mom.
I talk to my mom.
I rest for a while.
I rest for a while.
I watch TV.
I watch TV.
I play with my dog.
I play with my dog.
I go outside to play.
I go outside to play.
I do my homework.
I do my homework.
I color in my coloring book.
I color in my coloring book.
I ride my bicycle.
I ride my bicycle.
I help my mom.
I help my mom.
I eat fruits.
I eat fruits.
I talk with my family.
I talk with my family.
I water the plants.
I water the plants.
I eat dinner.
I eat dinner.
I wash my hands before dinner.
I wash my hands before dinner.
I thank God for food.
I thank God for food.
I sit with my family.
I sit with my family.
I clean up my toys.
I clean up my toys.
I put my books in my bag.
I put my books in my bag.
I take a shower.
I take a shower.
I brush my teeth again.
I brush my teeth again.
I put on my pajamas.
I put on my pajamas.
I say good night to my family.
I say good night to my family.
I hug my mom.
I hug my mom.
I hug my dad.
I hug my dad.
I listen to a bedtime story.
I listen to a bedtime story.
I pray before sleeping.
I pray before sleeping.
I close my eyes.
I close my eyes.
I lie down in bed.
I lie down in bed.
I sleep early.
I sleep early.
I dream sweet dreams.
I dream sweet dreams.
I wake up for a new day.
I wake up for a new day. Thanks for watching. For watching more educational videos, please find the link given in the description box and subscribe to our channel.